I'm Neely, and in this video, I will show you how to publish your website and the options available in the publishing process. Start on the WordPress dashboard. On the left side, choose Posts. Choose Edit on the post you want to work on. And now we are back in the block editor. There are three options along the top right side here. Make sure you are on the Post tab. If the post is already published, you can choose the draft button, which will unpublish the post, and you are essentially working offline. When you save the changes now, this saves locally and won't show up on your website until you publish again. Let's make a minor text change on my post and save the change. This option down here with the clock appears and will tell you how many revisions you've made. When you select that, it takes you to a new screen in the dashboard. This area will show you the track changes you made every time you hit that save button. Use this toggle bar to drag over and see the old version of the post. The red part shows what the post looked like before, and the green shows you after the changes were made. If you want to revert to an earlier version, choose Restore this version. Select Go to Editor to get back to our publishing options. The Preview button will show you how the post will look without publishing. And the Schedule button will allow you to pick a date and time for when you would like the post to go live. This is more of a quick publish or a quick schedule button without all the options in the panel. Let's look at those. This visibility option lets you choose if the post is public, private, or if you want to password protect the post. This box down here is where you type in the password. The Publish button lets you publish out to the world immediately, or you can schedule a time with the calendar here. This option, Stick to the top of the blog, is a placement option. Most blogs default publish post at the bottom, so this will make sure the post is at the top of your blog page. You can also click this box to hold the post for review. Maybe you have a proofreader that needs to look at the post before you go live. You can change the author attributed to the post with this dropdown. If you want to delete the whole post, there is a trash button here. You can customize the permalink. This is the last part of the URL, and WordPress creates a version that makes sense based on the content title. If you have a long title, you may want to shorten it or make something completely different. Scrolling past the categories and tags, here's an option for a featured image. This is a small image that will appear in any type of preview or search results. You can also add an excerpt text in this box, but keep it short, less than 55 words. This is optional, but I find that everything helps your SEO, so it's worth the time for me. The last part down here is for the comments and backlinking. If you want to allow viewers to make comments on your post, select this box. The last part here, allow pingbacks and trackbacks, have pros and cons, so you might want to do a little more research before you decide. On the pro side, you'll be notified when other websites link to your content, and they'll be notified when you link to theirs. One downside is that bots and spammers often take advantage of this feature and could be a lot of extra management for you. We can publish now or schedule to publish later. That's it for publishing options. Hope this was informative. See you next time.